Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss, the best crypto bot for beginners. If you're new to the world of cryptocurrency trading and want to leverage automation, this video is for you. We'll guide you through the process of finding the perfect crypto bot that suits your needs and is beginner-friendly. Let's dive right in. 1. Understanding crypto bots. 2. Before we jump into the specifics, let's start by understanding what a crypto bot is. In simple terms, a crypto bot is a software program that uses predefined algorithms to automate trading operations. It helps traders execute trades, analyze market data, and even make decisions based on predefined strategies. 3. Key factors to consider. 4. When selecting the best crypto bot for beginners, there are several important factors to consider. Let's discuss them one by one. User-friendliness. As a beginner, it's crucial to choose a bot with a user-friendly interface and intuitive features. Look for platforms that offer a straightforward setup process and provide ample documentation or tutorials. B. Supported exchanges. Ensure that the bot supports the cryptocurrency exchanges you plan to trade on. Different bots may have different exchange compatibility, so choose one that aligns with your preferred trading platforms. C. Security measures. Trust is paramount when dealing with crypto. Opt for a bot that prioritizes security, offers two-factor authentication, and employs technical indicators and signals. Look for a bot that provides a wide range of technical indicators and signals. These tools can help you make informed trading decisions based on market trends and patterns. F. Backtesting and simulations. Backtesting allows you to test your strategies on historical data, providing insights into their effectiveness. Simulations help you understand how your strategies would perform in real-time scenarios without risking your capital. G. Customer support. Responsive and helpful customer support is crucial, especially for beginners. Make sure the bot you choose offers reliable support channels, such as email, live chat, or community forums. 5. Top crypto bots for beginners. 6. Now that we understand the key factors, let's explore some of the best crypto bots for beginners. A. 3 commas. 3 commas is a popular crypto bot that offers a user-friendly interface and supports multiple exchanges. It provides a wide range of trading tools, including trailing stop-loss, take profit, and social trading features. B. Crypto Hopper. Crypto Hopper is another beginner-friendly bot known for its simplicity and powerful automation features. It supports various exchanges, offers extensive strategy customization options, and provides a marketplace to explore and share trading strategies with the community. C. Gunbot. Gunbot is a versatile crypto bot that allows beginners to automate their trading strategies with ease. It supports numerous exchanges, provides backtesting and simulation features, and offers an active user community for support and strategy sharing. D. Haas Online. Haas Online is a feature-rich crypto bot platform that caters to both beginners and advanced traders. It offers an intuitive interface, backtesting capabilities, a vast range of technical indicators, and supports multiple exchanges. E. Zenbot. Zenbot is an open-source crypto bot that's suitable for beginners who are comfortable with coding. It allows users to customize their trading strategies using JavaScript and provides backtesting and paper trading features. Remember, while these bots are highly regarded and beginner-friendly, it's important to conduct thorough research and consider your individual trading goals before making a final decision. Now, let's proceed with our guide. 4. Demo trading and paper trading. 5. For beginners, it's often recommended to start with demo trading or paper trading before using a crypto bot with real funds. Demo trading platforms allow you to practice trading strategies in a risk-free environment using virtual funds. This way, you can familiarize yourself with the bot's features and test different strategies without risking your hard-earned money. 6. Setting up and using a crypto bot. 7. Now, let's walk through the process of setting up and using a crypto bot. A. Choose a bot, select the bot that aligns with your requirements and sign up for an account on their platform. B. Connect to an exchange. Follow the instructions provided by the bot to connect it to your preferred cryptocurrency exchange. This connection allows the bot to access real-time market data and execute trades on your behalf. C. Configure trading strategies. Once connected, configure your trading strategies based on your preferences. Some bots offer predefined strategies, while others allow you to create your own. D. Risk management. Set appropriate risk management parameters, such as stop loss and take profit levels, to protect your investments. These parameters ensure that your bot automatically exits a trade if it reaches a certain profit or loss threshold. E. Monitor and adjust. Regularly monitor the bot's performance and make adjustments as needed. Analyze the bot's trading results, modify strategies if necessary, and stay updated on market trends. F. Regular maintenance. Keep your bot and trading strategies up to date. Stay informed about any updates or new features released by the bot's developers. This ensures that your bot remains effective and performs optimally. 8. Additional tips for beginners. 9. To enhance your experience with crypto bots as a beginner, here are some additional tips. Start with small investments. Begin with small amounts of capital to minimize risks while you're still learning the ropes. As you gain confidence and experience, you can gradually increase your investments. B. Educate yourself. Take the time to educate yourself about cryptocurrency trading, technical analysis, and different trading strategies. Understanding the fundamentals will empower you to make informed decisions and optimize your bot's performance. C. Stay updated on market news. Keep track of the latest news and developments in the crypto industry. Market trends and events can significantly impact the performance of your trading strategies. D. Join communities and forums. Engage with other crypto enthusiasts and traders by joining online communities and forums. Sharing knowledge, experiences, and strategies can greatly enhance your learning process. E. Use proper security measures. Safeguard your crypto assets by using secure wallets, enabling two-factor authentication, and implementing strong passwords. Be cautious of phishing attempts and suspicious links. Conclusion: that wraps up our comprehensive guide on the best crypto bot for beginners. Remember, using a crypto bot can be a valuable tool for automating your trading activities, but it's essential to approach it with caution and diligence. Choose a user-friendly bot. Practice with demo trading, and continuously educate yourself to maximize your chances of success. Happy trading. Outro. Host. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Feel free to leave any questions or suggestions in the comments section below. Until next time, happy trading, and take care.